Let's comp another deal. All right, so here's a deal that one of my team members sent me. It's a property that he's working on. Just wanted to confirm the ARV. So again, I'm going to use Redfin. Not everyone has access to batch leads or Propstream. People may just be starting out. Redfin is free, so you might as well learn how to use it. And not to say that the other systems aren't necessary. The other systems do give you a lot of valuable data that you can use in order to secure a deal. This just happens to be free. And for our purposes of just looking for the ARV, this works. So we want to see what kind of property we're dealing with. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,637 square feet. It's on about half an acre, built in 1969. All right, let's take a look. So on Redfin, all you have to do, it's very simple. Click this map, kind of get a mental note of where the property is. So it's right there on Stonewood. Then you want to hit new search. And when you hit new search, it's going to come up. Here's our property. Here's Stonewood. Here's our street. So here's our property right here. One of these two. Let's see, which one was it? Oh, no, it was on the end. So it's actually like right here. So we want to change a couple of things. Again, a property that is on market is not a comp. You can use it to justify your comp, meaning you check your sold comps, everything looks good. You just want to make sure that everything is right. You've got your number. So you go and click on for sale and you see what's been recently listed that matches your property. If you find something that's recently listed that matches your property and it's being listed for close to what your ARV is, you're on the right track. But for this, we're actually going to be clicking on sold properties. Protocol is no older than a year. Ideally, we want 3 months, but we can go up to a year. Price we can leave alone. Ours is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, so that's all we want to see. And then home type, we want a house. And when you're doing this, you want to remember you have to comp the properties against houses that look like the subject property. So what do I mean by that? So let's close this really quick. Okay, so here's the front of our house. It's two-tone, meaning it's got brick on the bottom, siding on the top. It's got this dual level kind of, if you turn it the other way and lay it on its side, it kind of looks like a triangle shape. It's got a very distinct shape. It's not shaped like this one here. This house looks completely different. So we want to find a house that looks like our house for the best comp. So let's go through. Also, we want to change this to most recent because we want to see what's sold again within the last 3 months, ideally. And then we want our group very tight. So we can see based off this map, this is one neighborhood. We're not going to cross this main Reed Road. We're not going to cross this street. We're not crossing any bodies of water, even this. We're not crossing that. So this is our area where we're going to be operating. And we might as well just go ahead and just zoom in right on it. I don't want this side to get confused with anything else because if you zoom out, anything that pops up in your field of view is going to pop up over here, and that's just more stuff to go through. So let's just stick right here. We know that our house is either this one or this one. So let's go closest. These two are closest. So which one is this one? 237. It's on the other side of two roads. Let's take a look. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,486 square feet. It sold June 21st, 2024, so it's within range. That's good. And it sold for $237,000. So let's take a look at it. So here's what we're looking for. Is it flipped? And I know I sound like a broken record if you've seen any of my other videos. Flipped means it was rehabbed for the sake of reselling it. Not something like, oh yeah, we live in it currently. We wanted to update the kitchen a year ago, so we updated it. It's nice. It's newer, but it's not new. So let's go through. Awesome curb appeal. Roof looks good. It does have somewhat of the two-tier shape that our house has, but not really. I mean, this house is shaped completely different, but let's take a look at the pictures. LVP floor is good. You can tell this house has been staged. Looks like the fixtures have been updated for the locks, the ceiling fan, barn doors. We got new hardware there. Yep, that looks great. Kitchen looks like it was updated as well. Oh, it wasn't staged. Oh, they tricked me. All right, well, it wasn't staged. Kitchen looks updated. Appliances look brand new. Countertops look good. So this house was flipped. This was a flipped house. They put money into it for the purpose of selling it for a profit. Normally, I don't like that style of bathroom, but I actually like that. Yep, that's new. Nice. Oh, wait, I'm not falling for that. Is this fake? Yeah, it was fake. All right, whatever. Looks like they got a little wet bar area. Nice house. Basement looks to be epoxied and done well. Really good. Really, really good. And it's got a deck. All right, so that's enough for that one. So, would I count this as a comp? I would. I actually would. I would do something a little different, though. So, first of all, technically, this is within range. So, we want to do apples to apples comparison as far as bedrooms, bathrooms. When it comes to the square footage, you can go plus or minus between 200 and 250 square feet. This is right on the cusp of being out of range. And then also get in the habit of looking at this. Because if these pictures, if these photos weren't here, a lot of times if you get a recently sold comp, the photos will be there. But if they're not, you can look at this and this will tell you any realtor worth their salt is going to advertise and put it out there for you to see. This house has been flipped. This house has been renovated, fully rehabbed. Those are the things that you're looking for. Great price with upgrades, inside and out. Perfect. What else are we looking for? The entire home has been repainted. The word new popping up a lot. New back deck. Good. Let's see. I saw another buzzword when I was glancing over this earlier. New luxury vinyl plank. That's LVP flooring. Good. Countertops. Good. Master bathroom has been renovated. Good. New walk in shower. Everything has been done. Everything has been done for this place. So get in the habit of reading these because if it doesn't have pictures, if this says it's completely renovated, that's fine. You can count it as a flipped house. So I'm going to count it, but because it's the square footage is a little wonky, I want to keep this in the back of my mind because ours is bigger. So if this one sold for 159 a square foot relatively recently, it's fair to say that our property, even though it's not the same type of house, it's close enough in proximity and close enough in comparison to count as a good comp. It's relatively safe to say our house can sell for $159 a square foot. And then we can do that math later. All right, let's take a look at this next one. This one here. Uh-oh. Look at that. All right, so let's get into this one. So looking at this front picture, first of all, let's take note of this. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. This one is even smaller than the other one. Okay, but that's all right. We can work with that. Let's take a look at this. Beautifully renovated. 3 bedroom, 2 full bath oasis. Turnkey, meticulously upgraded. This, even if these pictures weren't here, I would say, okay, I can count this as a flipped house. And look what it sold for. $159 a square foot. And when did it sell? June 6th. Perfect. So let's take a quick look at this. And here's the great thing. Look at this house. Two-tone, brick on the bottom, siding on the top. It's shaped almost identical to our house. Almost identical. So I'm going to lean more this direction than the last one. Because while the last one was nice and it had the deck and it was renovated and technically it is a comp, this one fits better. So let's run through this one and let's see what we're doing. And I already know it's flipped, but I like looking at flips because I do flips and I like getting ideas. So bathroom looks good, LVP floor. Bathroom was renovated over here as well. Nice built-in cabinets. This one also has a deck. Not as many pictures. And you guys definitely skimped on showing the kitchen. Kitchens and bathrooms sell. Kitchens and bathrooms sell. So when you have a good kitchen and a good bathroom, highlight that. That's what people like. So this one sold for 159 a square foot. This one is very close to what ours looks like. I mean, it's other than the color and the shape of the front of the house, it's almost identical. So I'm going to say that this is a good comp. And because this house also sold for 159 a square foot so recently, I am confident that our house can reasonably sell for $159 a square foot. So I believe our square footage was like 1630 something. Yep. 1637. So I pulled out my calculator. 1637 times 159. The ARV for our property is $260,000 because our property is 1,637 square feet and this property is only 1,385 square feet. So that's how you can really dial in your comp and make sure that you're accurate, because this is what all your numbers are based off of. This is what your offer is going to be based off of. And then this is what your offer when you go to sell it to a buyer, including your assignment fee, is going to be based off of. And if your ARV isn't accurate, then the whole deal crumbles. So always make sure you're running your ARV properly.